Hi there. This is the first video I've made since everybody went on lockdown. Where I'm at, it's not a full lockdown. We're still kind of out and about. What I do for a living, I work every day still. We're deemed essential, so I'm still working. For those of you who aren't, hope everything's going well, everybody's taking care of themselves, and hopefully this provides a little entertainment while you are locked up. I'm out back in the garage today, working on the '67 Mustang Convertible. The last video I made, I took out the inner rocker. That was time consuming, a lot of work, but I did get it out and it went well. So in that last video, I thought that there was a bunch of rust in the rocker, but I'm going to show you that, it's really not. See if I can put this down here where you can see. It looks like whoever did put this in, they put some type of a coating down in there to protect it, and really preserved it pretty well. I am going to take and get that out of there and put a different coating in there. But yeah, it's not as bad as I thought, which is good, right? So anyway, let's see if we can get this going today, and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Okay, there's a view of the inside of the rocker, a little better view. You can see where that orangey stuff in there is not rust. It's a coating that whoever had this before me put in there when he replaced the rocker, which is awesome. It's not as rusty as I thought it was. I am going to take that coating out and treat any rust that is in there, and then I'll put my own primers, coatings, and such inside of there. On the other side, I used a weld-through primer on the inside. Then I'm going to go back and use some internal frame coating that I bought. Same with this side, I'll do the same thing. So, let's get to it. I'm going to use this stripper wheel to get that off. So I'll start up with that. I am wearing a mask, so hopefully you can hear me alright. As you can see, here I am. This coating was harder to get off than I thought. The rust remover disc was working okay, but I did end up switching over to a wire wheel for a bit, and that did work quite a bit better. And then after that, I moved to a roll-lock rust remover, and that's what I used for most of the coating removal on the inner rocker panel. Here you can see underneath that coating, the rocker's in really, really good shape. That roll-lock disc on the angle grinder made pretty quick work of that coating. This piece here is a convertible only part. It's a floor pan reinforcement. Convertibles don't have a roof, so they have a lot of understructure. I'm just cleaning that off. The hardest part about doing this whole thing was just being able to see underneath, see what I was doing. But I got her done. Okay, so I pretty well got all the rust I can mechanically. I'll have to treat the rest of it, what's there. There really isn't much left. Got pretty much most of it out. As you can see here, all that's all done. Looks really good. Like I say, I do need to treat it, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Again, thanks for watching.